Hello students, welcome to my channel TechnoTeach. So in the previous video we have discussed a few AI techniques such as heuristic search, that is a heuristic based technique, and the second one is that rule based system, that is a traditional based technique. So in this video we are going to discuss few more techniques such as supervised learning, that is a traditional based technique. So it is a type of a machine learning, as we know, that where a model is trained on a labeled data where the correct output is provided for each input. The model learns to make a predictions based on the patterns that it learns from the labeled data. For example, in a spam detection system, this algorithm can be trained on a data set of emails labeled as spam or not spam, and then it can classify new incoming emails as spam or not spam based on the learning patterns. Next is genetic algorithm, that is a heuristic based technique. So these are optimization techniques inspired by the process of natural selection. They involve evolving solutions to complex problems using genetic operators such as crossover, selection, mutation. For example, in a scheduling problems, a genetic algorithm can be used to evolve a set of schedules for tasks or resources, optimizing for a criteria such as time or cost. And the last one is natural language processing technique, that is a both traditional or heuristic based. So it involves processing and analyzing the human language. Some NLP techniques such as sentiment analysis or named entity recognition, that can be rule based, where predefined rules or heuristics are used to interpret and analyze a text. For example, in sentiment analysis, predefined rules can be used to identify keywords or phrases indicative of positive or negative sentiment in text data. So our next topic is problem space and search. Problem space and search are fundamental concepts in artificial intelligence that are used to model and solve a complex task. So first is problems. Problems represent a task or challenges that requires a solution, and it can have a different characteristics such as being well defined or ill defined, simple, complex, single objective or multi objective. Example like path finding, scheduling, recommendation, image recognition, natural language understanding. Problem space is different from our problems, as we can say that it refers to the set of all possible states, actions and transitions that can occur during the process of solving a problem. So we can say that it can be represented as a graph, tree or other data structures depending on the nature of the problem. Then search. Search, it can refers to the process of systematically exploring the problem space, that is a set of all possible states, actions and transitions to find a solution or a path from the initial state to the goal state. For example, like A-star search algorithm. Now example. So let us consider the problem of finding the shortest path between two cities in a map as an example. The cities can be represented as nodes in a graph, and the roads or connection, we can say, between the cities can be represented as edges. So in this case, the problem space would be the entire graph including all the cities, connections and distances between them. Initial state would be the starting city and the goal state would be the destination city. So a search algorithm such as A-star search algorithm can be used to systematically explore the problem space by considering different cities, their connections, their distances, and generating a potential path from the starting city to the destination city. Thank you, students.